Hello everyone, welcome to my show Beating the Lockdown Blues. You must be wondering what I'm doing here locked up in my own house. Well, don't worry, just be with me. And for all those who don't know me, hi, my name is Maya Rashid. I study in class 10th at DAV Public School, and this show is my class project that deals with experiences of mine and yours during this continental lockdown. As we all know, the whole world is gripped by the pandemic, leaving everyone locked inside their homes. It is indeed a matter of great concern as millions of people have lost their lives. At the same time, many have lost their jobs too. It has indeed affected our lives manifolds.
Corona is a new disease for most of us, and lockdown is completely a new phenomenon. The deadly virus started from Wuhan in China and took the whole world in its grip. Thousands of people lost their lives and millions have lost their livelihood. Now, if I talk about India, the lockdown has left thousands of workers workless and they had to walk miles to return to their native places. It is really heart-wrenching to see women and children walking on highways under the scorching sun.
So as I told you before, this video will talk about the lockdown and how it has affected our lives. What all things we have done to cope up with the situation, what all new things we have learnt. But before I take your views, let me share my one.
Like others, my life is also affected in the wake of lockdown, limited in the four walls of my house. But I try my level best to keep myself fit and continue with my studies. I eat, I read, I cook, I play, I talk to my friends and family, and I do pray for myself and others. But despite all that, I miss my freedom, my school, my teachers, and friends. I desperately hope to get rid of this tough time.
So if I talk about students, it is almost the same across the globe. Schools are closed, online classes are the new norms now. But one thing we all can't deny is that students have seriously suffered academically. However, the positive aspect is that we students have got ample amount of time to improve ourselves and to bring out the best of ourselves during these trying times. Besides the studies, we all have found ways to engage ourselves. So let's hear it from others.
Hi Mayal, my name is Yul Chaudhary and I am from Mumbai. As you know, a lockdown has been initiated by the Indian government due to the COVID-19 pandemic. During the initial days of the lockdown, I used to spend most of my time playing games like Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone and Apex Legends. I soon got bored of that and decided to enroll myself for an online Python course at Udemy. This course helped me learn the programming language Python. I was familiar with one programming language, which is Java already, so it was easy for me to learn this language. I have also indulged in watching animes like One Punch Man, Naruto Shippuden and Fairy Tail. This is how I spend my lockdown. Thank you, and I hope that the government that the world heals itself soon, so that this lockdown can be lifted and I can be a happy person again.
Hello Mayal, as you ask what have you experienced in this lockdown time, well, I personally went through multiple phases. I experienced a lot of ups and downs. I got a lot of spare time along with it to follow my hobby, such as writing blog, reading novel, writing poems, and I accomplished my syllabus content as well. But it brought along with it lot of mental anxiety to me as well, because I was so much anxious about the rising cases in Delhi as well, and I felt disarmed about the exodus of migrants. I was very much anxious about the migrant as well, because we cannot decipher of what all the migrants just going through. So I just want to do something for them, but along with it I also felt disarmed. So yeah, it brought this lockdown time brought lot of opportunities and mental anxiety as well for me. Thank you. Bye.
Hi Mayal, I hope you're doing well. As we all know about the COVID-19 pandemic and lockdowns that were imposed because of it all around the world. So in this video I want to share my experiences, that how I spend my time during the lockdowns. Basically, books, a lot of books that I've been avoiding, that I always wanted to read, the books that I bought but never opened. So I read a lot of books. Secondly, movies and series. I'm an avid fan of movies and series, so I binge watch a lot of them. Those were on my list for quite some time, but I never had the time to actually watch them, so I went through those. Thirdly, I reconnected with a lot of long lost friends. Friends, those are there, but you never actually had the time to give them a text or a call, because of daily life activities. So during my time in lockdown, I find, I did that. And lastly, there's this language that I always wanted to learn, so I started learning it, and became quite efficient in it.
My name is Chipra and I'm from Mumbai. As you all know, sadly, Maharashtra has the highest case of COVID-19 patients. So I'm doing my bit by staying in, though everyone is going through really tough time being inside. But especially because I live alone, it's been really difficult. But I'm keeping myself busy by exercising every day, by doing my hoop videos. I'm eating well. And most importantly, I am grateful that I'm fine and I'm breathing and all the people I love are fine. What more one could ask for. I'm being grateful that I am okay. Thank you.
Hey Mile, as you ask that this lockdown time is beneficial for me or not, well, I think it brought lot of opportunity as well as crisis. Why opportunity? Because I spend a lot of time in reading books, novels, and some theories in psychology which I really like. Before lockdown, I didn't get much time for this, so I read a lot. And yeah, of course, there are crises as well, because I feel anxiety due to the pandemic and the number of patients increasing per day. And I enjoyed a moment that I've took care of my skin in this period. Hope you are doing well. Bye bye.
Situations across the country and abroad is almost the same. However, a big thanks to social media that enabled us to connect through text messages, calls and video calls. This lockdown also gave us an opportunity to stay at home with little resources, and the best part is it gave the nature a peaceful break to rejuvenate itself. So my takeaway from this lockdown is to reduce your requirements and to be content with whatever you have. Now before I take leave, I must thank all of my family friends for being a part of my project. Last but not the least, I thank you all for being such a nice viewer of this film. Thank you.